Hey, eighth graders, this is Miss Morell with your recap and preview. So, to recap class from Friday, August 28th, and Monday, August 31st, really, we just recapped all of our learning so far. We talked about forces, there being a push or a pull. Forces can either be balanced or unbalanced. Balanced forces result in no change in motion. Unbalanced results in a change of motion. Forces are measured with a spring scale, like the kind you find at HEB. And the unit that we use is a Newton. We learned about examples of forces in nature, such as a seed emerging, like a plant emerging from a seed, blood pumping through your vessels, turgor pressure in plants, and geotropism. All of these are examples of unbalanced forces in nature. We went through the graphic organizer to refresh our memory about forces. We went through our learning targets so that we knew what was expected of us from this unit. That's a really great way to check yourself. If you can go through and do all of those things on the learning targets, then you are good to go for the test. A great way to study is to maybe sit down with mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, cousin, and go through those things. If it says, I can't explain, then explain it to somebody, because sometimes the best way to learn is to say it to someone else, to teach it to someone else. So we worked through those learning targets. And then finally, I had you view the page called Reading About Forces, and then take a forces vocabulary learning check. So that's what I expect you to do for Friday and today. Coming up on the horizon, Tuesday and Wednesday of this week, we have our first summative quiz over forces. We will be reviewing a little bit before class starts. And then toward the end of the week, we're going to start talking about motion, specifically speed. Those unbalanced forces that cause change in motion, we're going to start talking about the different kinds of motion and how we measure them and calculate them. So that's what's going on in science class. I hope this gets you where you need to be. See you soon.